Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download or get Apple Invite app. So the Apple Invite app is now made public and now you can now download and install it on your iPhone. So to start with, this video is going to walk you through how you can easily do that. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to download Apple Invite app on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Then search for Apple Invite. Then click it from the pop. Then here if you see Apple Invite, then go ahead and click on it to open it well. Then here is how the Apple Invite looks. So it's about 58 megabytes. Now to download the Apple Invite, go ahead and click on get. Then you'll be prompted to click on the side button to install, or confirm your Face ID and then type in your Apple account password. Once you do that, you'll see the Apple Invite installing. And once the Apple Invite is installed successfully, then if you come to your app menu here, then you should see the Apple Invite, or go back to the App Store. On the App Store, you should see the Apple Invite, and then you can now go ahead and open the Apple Invite. So that is it. Welcome to Apple Invite. Then click on continue and create your Apple Invite account. So that is basically how to download Apple Invite. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.